In this video I'm going to show you guys how to convert an AVI file to an MP4 file via a VLC Media Player. This is really easy, just check what I do and yeah, that's basically it. First of all, open VLC Media Player and click on Media at the top left corner. Click on Convert/Save. Then where it says Add, just click on it and just go to the folder where you have saved your AVI file. Right here, select it and click on Open. Then click on Convert/Save. Make sure the one at the top is selected, because as you can see it says MP4. Then where it says destination file, click on Browse and call it, for example, test2. And then click on Save and you're ready to convert it. So just click on Start. And as you can see at the bottom right here, it is converting and it is done. So if you want to check the file, just go to your file explorer and go to downloads, and as you can see it says test2.mp4, the one we've just converted. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.